Welcome to the GMAT Quest, where we embark on a journey to master essential skills for success on the GMAT exam. Today, we are diving deep into the world of commas, those tiny but powerful marks that can transform your sentences. Get ready to explore the nuances of comma usage and unravel the traps that can trip you up. Let's jump right in. Our first stop is understanding why commas play such a pivotal role in constructing effective sentences. They serve 5 fundamental purposes, each contributing to the clarity and precision of your writing. The first purpose of commas is separating items in a list. Picture commas as the silent separators in a list, guiding us through different elements. For example, Alex enjoys painting, reading, and hiking. Commas in this context ensure that each activity, painting, reading, and hiking, stands independently, avoiding confusion and making the list comprehensible. The second purpose of commas is joining independent clauses. Commas step in as connectors when independent clauses join forces. Consider this: Samantha excels in math, and she loves solving complex problems. Here, the comma follows math to join two distinct yet related ideas, ensuring a smooth transition between independent clauses. The third purpose of commas is linking the dependent clause with the independent clause. Commas facilitate seamless fusion between dependent and independent clauses. For example, with the new approach, we achieved remarkable results. The comma here serves as a bridge, uniting the introductory dependent clause with the new approach. With the following independent clause, we achieved remarkable results. The fourth purpose of commas is to set off non-essential items. Commas are experts at isolating non-essential elements, ensuring clarity in context. For example, the runner, exhausted after the marathon, collapsed. In this case, the phrase, exhausted after the marathon, adds context, but isn't crucial to the core meaning. The comma sets it apart, allowing the main idea to shine. The fifth purpose of commas is illuminating cause-effect relationships. Commas even illuminate cause-effect relationships, guiding readers through the chain of events. For example, the rainfall intensified, flooding the streets. The comma here signifies the cause-effect relationship between the rainfall intensifying and the subsequent flooding of the streets. Commas are like maestros conducting the orchestra of words, directing their rhythm and meaning. By understanding their purposes, you are mastering an invaluable tool for GMAT sentence correction. Now, let's dive into our first trap, the missing comma. Which version out of these correctly punctuates the sentence? Take a moment to pause the video and think about it. Remember, the right comma can make all the difference. And the correct answer is C. The sentence should be: his hobbies include playing guitar, singing, and swimming. The commas after guitar and singing help keep our hobbies distinct. Next up, we are delving into trap 2, the unnecessary comma. Which version of the sentence removes the unnecessary comma? Pause for a moment and contemplate the options. Let's pinpoint the correct choice. You have got it. The correct answer is D. The sentence should read: the concert tickets for the weekend show were sold out. Removing the unnecessary comma keeps our sentence streamlined and clear. Now, let's explore trap 3, the misplaced comma. Which version correctly places the comma? Pause the video and think about the right answer. The right comma can shape the flow of your sentence. You are on track. The correct answer is B. The sentence should be: with the new promotion, our team is working more effectively to achieve higher targets. The comma after promotion creates a natural pause. Which version correctly uses a comma? Please pause the video, think about the answer, and share your answer in the comments. Let's test your comma prowess.